Thanks, Ben. Good man. Rocking the car today. Katut, pretty stylish, man. Sitting in a car. It's very comfortable, this one. This is where Katut gets his furniture made. Some of the furniture for the homestay. Hello. And here. These are these boaty things. Have you seen these? They're like half a canoe into a cupboard. I've seen them in Australia. That fashion has passed, I think. Hello, how are you? So this is the style that he gets here, has in the homestay. You would have seen in the video. Oh yeah. Look at that. How cool is that? Beautiful. Oh, a lot more. Wow. Thank you. Woohoo! I love these ones. They're like a little, that's just one on top of the other, but it's, yeah, little coffee table-y thing. And these are the ones that Katut puts in the rooms. They're all nailed together somehow, because I wanted to cut it down a bit, and he goes, no, there's so many nails. So somehow they nail it all together. It's funky stuff, isn't it? Retro kind of legs and styling, but sort of brought up with these colours somehow. Makes it, oh, look, numbers and stuff. I could have a number on my apartment. Katut's got these as well. These ones are serious, big chunky sideboards, I suppose you would say. Yeah, wow. Look at that. I love that. It's fantastic. Lounge. But look at this. It's a bar, right? On top of beer, yeah. It's a whole bar. Imagine that in your bloody man cave. Or woman cave. Woman den, I'll say. That'd be cool. These guys have obviously just sort of come up with an idea. Rented a warehouse and away we go. That's a nice bar. I love it. See, this is the actual timber. Reclaimed wood. That's the other thing that Katut likes about it. He always likes to use reclaimed wood.
They don't cut any new trees.
Exactly.
They don't damage the forest.
No damaging the forest, not taking down new trees, reclaiming wood, and make it into something new. I call it regeneration, you know. The wood's happy, the forest is happy, the worker's happy, and the person that buys it is happy. And it does have a feel about it, you know, especially when it's cleaned up and made into something new. Regeneration. Yeah, see what I mean? Like there's all these sort of nail holes and see that? That's what he's on about. So these little bits are all joined in the nail holes. Then they might paint it and restrip it because it doesn't look like that one's got much colour. Or they might just leave it however it comes up. This is a bar stool. Because I had a few, I had one or two thrown over my head.
Ini kursi apa meja? Kursi. Kursi. It's a chair.
Yeah, you can sit on it, but this is a bar stool.
Yeah.
See, he says yes.
Kursi?
Kursi.
Bar stool? Bar stool? Yeah. Did you move your car? Because it's about to get squashed. We were sitting out the front beeping the horn and like, no, we can't open the gate. It's a little bit old. Looks like they've only got that one little table saw, bench saw. There doesn't seem to be anything else around here. This guy's working on the ground on a piece of glass. Take two. It's a bit stuck though. Okay. Makasih. Cool. Just next door, they're Katutsa, they make chairs. I'm looking for a stool and a chair. Ah, these are the actual ones. Hello. These are cool. That's what's already in the room. So all of the rooms at the homestay. There it was. Hello, how are you?
Yang kayak gini berapa?
Kurang tahu saya.
Workshop.
Okay. Oh, so tidy.
Still related with Katut.
Really?
Yeah.
Why all the rock and roll cans from the 80s? These are called 6x64 cans. It's all coloured like. Look at this place. The mirrors. This is a pretty recent trend at the moment, this blue. Beautiful by the ocean. Imagine having your ocean retreat. Retreat. That's nice. But yeah, he wants $70 for one of these chairs. $70 each. Crazy. Push bike table. Paul Ardle. You gotta get onto this, man. You gotta get onto this. Even with the brackets, it looks cool. And then just off the seat post and the handlebar. See that? They've got this welded, this T-section welded off the top of the head stem. And then this is just one on top of it, but look at that. That's two, so this like this wide, and then that's two. Oh mate, that's cool. That's very cool. Look at this wall. Wow. It's just like coming by a wall. There's a bit of a canoe, which is always handy to have in the living room. Pop some, what's this for, plants?
For the table.
Oh, just for table, it's beautiful. So, you can choose the top.
Yes, top, the glass.
Glass, of course. I was just thinking, this looks like it's meant to do something really serious. This has got to be an actual steering wheel for a boat. It's probably got another name, has it? But yeah, that's got a massive brass fitting in the middle and a locky thing. I'm not really up with my yachtsman skills, so yeah, awesome.
He said all of the seller outside there get the material from here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The shop all buy from here. Ya sama dia tena, katena.
So they're just saying that his workshop is complete. Whatever you want, rattan, wood, these amazing wall pieces, or I don't know what to call them. Also metal, they're obviously working in metal and wood. So anything you want from metal, wood, rattan, it's available here. Don't get any discounts or anything. Like I say again, good people, good promotion. We're in the place next door and wandered in. Look at the rattan work, and you've seen the guys working. It's just, look at that. These day beds are smoking. Imagine that by the pool. Wardrobes, not in the wardrobe. Oh, look at this. That's wicked. Little corner stand, book thing. How can I best film it? It's, you know, like so the corner, it's a triangle. Look at this. I was really dehydrated and he's just given me some water now. I'm feeling a bit better. Getting excited. Look at these things. How good are they? Love that. Have you seen these ones? These are really popular. I saw that in Sanur. No, I saw it in Chandadasa. They had these tables. And can easily bring you here if you're over, if you want some furniture. Look at that chair. It's big. I don't know if you can see it on wide angle, but this is like a set fit for a king. This thing. Whoa. Sound like Jeff Carter then. How are you, Jeff? Haven't spoken to you for a while. I'd have to do that. Don't really like that thing, but if you do, it's like a kid's truck. It's supposed to be good for a kid's room. Shelf has got that bit attached on the top, so little wheelie looking things. And up here, this place is smoking. That's stylish. Look at the horses. Now that is a wooden horse. Look at that. Look at these things. How cool is that? What is it? Please tell me in the comments. Whatever it is, it's wicked. It's like some sort of tool, but it's not. I love it, whatever it is. Look at that. I'm just starting to see stuff now. There's so much here. My eyes are just starting to open up and go, wait a minute. That looks a bit voodoo to me. Yikes. What a place. Hope you've enjoyed it, and see you next time.